everybody. I'm Miss Mae Ross here at 321 Acting Studios in Los Angeles. I'm the owner director, and I'm talking about great self-tapes. We are speaking to our online students, our nationwide students, and to get a good self-tape, I always like to ask them, who wants to be seen, heard, and loved? I think we all do. Thumbs up on that. So we talk about a great Zoom setup where you have your great lighting, like I do here. You have a nice background. You can just hang up something. This is just a nice tablecloth. We talk about getting a more professional looking, well, I am professional. We're talking about getting a blue background and good microphone, good lighting. And we talked about there's the online audition live also, where you will come in and you will be performing in front of a casting director and maybe the directors. Again, that great Zoom setup. And we also talked about with your self tapes that you send in to the casting director, is that if you have a scene to do, you have a reader, that the reader is not maybe as loud as you are, but they can be heard, and that you don't look into the camera. Okay, usually for commercials, you look into the camera, but for scenes and monologues, you don't. We also talked about how to follow instructions. The casting director, the agent, they'll be sending you very specific instructions, and you want to follow them to the letter. Exactly. If they want you to show your hands, you show your hands. If they want you to slate just your name and maybe your height, or slate where you live, that's what you want to do. We talked about how to look at some websites where you can edit and where you would send your tape in. Again, it's following those directions, really following the directions. And what to wear. What is your character? Are you playing the lost girl? Are you playing a cheerleader? Are you playing a Girl Scout? Are you playing the bad girl? So your clothes, you want to reflect that. So if you're playing the bad girl, you might want to wear something darker, right? More move. And if you're playing, the good girl or the girl next door, then you want something brighter. Also, what show are you going for? If it's Nickelodeon, usually bright colors. If it's a crime show, usually probably darker colors. And what else did we talk about here? I think that's pretty much everything. We talked about more. I think you all have a really good handle on what to do. And that's what we do here. We want to make sure that you know what to do out there in the entertainment industry. And we continue to teach you how to do it. And we have our Showcase Acting Career program that's designed to get you started in the entertainment industry and get an agent from right where you live. And we're excited about having you guys. That's it from Miss Mae Ross here at 321 Acting Studios.